Okay, we're getting into our asymptotes lesson. First thing we want to do, find the domain for this rational function. Again, rational function, just a ratio of two polynomials, right? Not too big a deal. Domain, hey, what x values could we plug into this thing? What input values? So the key is the denominator. We know we cannot divide by 0. It's undefined mathematically. And so you don't even need to worry about the top right now. Just look at the bottom, and we want to figure out where does that equal 0, because that is going to tell us the values x cannot be. So just take that denominator, set it equal to 0, let's solve it. We've got a nice little quadratic. This one will factor nice for us. So if I want to break this up into two binomials, so factors of 5, so two numbers that multiply to make 5, that would add to make -6. Well, -2 and -3. No, that doesn't work. -5, -1, right? So x minus 5 and x minus 1. So if I just think about that, so -5x minus x, hey, that's -6x. -5 times -1, that gives me my +5. Now, I mean, this is basic solving equations, right? Now you could set each piece equal to 0 and solve it. And so x would be 5 and 1 if we were just solving a simple quadratic. Now, what I just figured out is x can't be those because that would make the denominator 0. Now, I think it's valuable maybe just make a quick sketch. You don't always need to do this, but just visualize it. So x, I'm just going to come up above here. So it can't be 1, can't be 5. What can it be? Well, it can be every other value in our set of real numbers, right? So let me just get on the screen there. So it can be every other number. So let's write that in interval notation. So remember, left to right. So -infinity up to 1, not including 1. That's this interval here. Well, in between, we're going to go from 1 to 5. So I'm going to do my little union symbol. So 1 to 5, that's everything in here. And then I need everything above 5. So I need another union. And I'm going to go 5 to +infinity. So there's the domain. Use our interval notation we're pretty comfortable with, I hope. So focus again, not denominator. Set it equal 0, solve. That's the values it can't be. Put it in interval notation. Again, may be worth just sketching out to help you picture those intervals.